और आज इलीगल माइग्रेंट्स आर कमिंग और पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में एक ही 6 शेड्यूल एरिया है जहाँ में त्रिपुरा एसटी को अपना ज़मीन का कानून बनाने का अधिकार नहीं, वो त्रिपुरा है। तो क्यों? तो ये बिल भी हमने भेजा है, ये इसको भी आपने पास नहीं किया,
लैंड लॉज।
हाँ, लैंड लॉज। तो ये क्या बात है, ये क्या ना इंसाफ है?
My last question is, how you see Tripura? You had a dream since your party, though today is not a party thing. Your party had come to power. You had tried for agreement has taken place. Your party is in the TTADC. How much success it could make? What are the loopholes those are lying about?
I'll tell you the truth. आज विजयदशमी है, दशहरा, मुझे झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए, लेकिन जितना झूठ मैंने सुना है पिछले 2 साल में, जितना झूठ मैंने ज़िंदगी में किसी से नहीं सुना। अगर मैं सच बोलूं तो ये झूठ सिर्फ मुझे नहीं, हम सबको बोला गया। अब झूठ को हम मानकर चुप रहे या फिर झूठ को झूठ बोलकर सबके सामने ये जो लोग झूठ बोले हैं इनको एक्सपोज करें। अब ये विकल्प मेरे पास है, अभी भी चांस है कि ये लोग अपना जो कमिटमेंट है उसको पूरा करें। अगर नहीं करेंगे तो जनता उसको जवाब देगी।
Would you like to speak about the Wangsu incident?
I think I've never met him. I've spoken to him twice or thrice on the phone, and I believe that whenever I spoke to him, he seemed like a very sincere person. So it is very unfortunate what has happened, and I hope that the Ladakhi and the Leh people get justice, because it's a bordering state, and I don't want a foreign country to take advantage of the frustration of the Ladakh and Leh people and create disturbance and break the integrity of India, because we are all Indians and we want justice to be given to the people living in the border areas. And I've never met Sonam myself, but whenever I spoke to him, he seemed to be a very sincere and a diligent person. So I just hope that this unfortunate incident can be put behind and the Leh and Ladakh people get what they have been asking for, which is a right to decide their future.
But since your case also, things are getting so late, would it not frustrate the youths and those from whom they had supported, even the BJP also?
So the government of India should realize, because there are many foreign powers which would want to destabilize bordering areas, whether it is Punjab, whether it is parts of Northeast, or whether it is Leh and Ladakh. So they should invest in trust on the local leaders who have been sincere. My grandfather merged with India my grandmother merged with India in 1949. So I can never be anti-India. I love my country. So the government of India should also trust families and people who have given the entire kingdom to India so that we could live. We gave up our entire monarchy so that we could live as Indian citizens. So the government of India should understand, I am not fighting to get a palace or a property back in my name. I am fighting so that my people get the land and they get a better future for tomorrow.
राज्य बीजेपी
पूजा के टाइम या किसी भी टाइम people should not resort to violence to solve their differences हो सकता है even between CPM and मोथा और BJP और कांग्रेस, लेकिन वायलेंस से कभी भी डिफरेंस रिजॉल्व नहीं होगा। बातचीत करके आप अपने डिफरेंसेस को रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं और गणतंत्रता में वायलेंस कभी भी एक औजार नहीं बनना चाहिए अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को सामने रखना। सो इट इज़ वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट that violence is still being used by some parties and some people to send the message.
যারা এমন করছে তাদের বিরুদ্ধে কি মাথা কোনো ব্যবস্থা নেবে?
I'm not the Home Minister of Tripura, but government should be fair to people who are attacking Matha workers, to people who are attacking BJP workers, to people who are attacking CPM and Congress workers also. Government should not take side of one political party.